Hey guys, I'm back with a little informative video here, I guess. Person down in the comments has been asking how and what we use for our fuel line on our trucks. Like, if we use the regular hose like that or, whatever. And on this engine, I will not be using regular line. I will show you my fuel pump setup. It's a braided metal line. I made this whole fuel pump setup. So this threads onto the back of the carburetor. And then it's got my Holly Blue fuel pump. And then got my line that goes to the tank. This line used to go to the regulator. Regulator leaks and it doesn't even work. So just bypassed it completely. Now it's deadheaded straight into the carburetor. So that's what I've got on this. And then for the return line or the vent, it's just a piece of rubber hose that I have back zip tied to my cage in the box. Now on this truck here, I am not doing that. I just have regular rubber hose clamped onto the back fuel rail. Goes from there. You can see it run, and then it goes to my fuel pump. Trust me, I will definitely not run it this way. I'll get a plate to come down and bolt the fuel pump directly to that, because this is very unsafe. And you definitely want to be probably as safe as you can with your fuel pump, which is why I have that huge box made for that one. So I'll have it bolted up, but it goes rubber hose clamped each side, then a little chunk of rubber, and the guy I bought before had hard line. Go back and then all the way through the back of the box and then into the fuel tank. I actually don't know where it goes into it. Probably underneath, but yeah. So that's our fuel line situation, and I know he asked about what I'm going to use for my tranny lines. So just a quick reminder to all you guys, I bought these from Nerat Derby, and they're hydraulic lines. It was like $90 for 2 6-foot lines. I think it was 90. Yeah, probably a little too much, but whatever. At least I know they'll fit. They've been proven to work before. I just need to get the lines for the tranny yet. I've also what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, a little dipstick. This is what I'll be running for the dipstick. First time we'll try this out. It'll sit completely inside of my tranny brace, so nothing can hit it and break it off or anything. And I hope it works good. So yeah, and I don't have anything to do on my cage right now. Plus I'm still out of oxygen. I'm too lazy to go get it refilled to show you guys how I cut these angles and crap. But I basically, let's just say this piece of square tubing, for example. So it's at an angle up, and yeah, it's not level. So what I did is I set this piece of square tubing up on top of my cage on both sides because it's a little bit longer. And then I marked out roughly where I'd need to cut. Just like, with a chalk marker or Sharpie or whatever you guys got. Just mark a line where you think it should be and test fit it. And probably go give yourself a little extra metal when you cut it, because obviously right there I had a gap because I didn't cut it perfectly. and then see if it fits. If it doesn't, keep trimming, and then yeah, weld it up. That's basically how I do it. So I did it on this whole entire cage. Or if you've just got something like that where it's even, straight, I just cut a piece of cardboard out that's 4 inches wide, and then I bring it in here, cut it so it'll fit in here exactly the way I want it. Then I go out, put this on my 4x4, trace it out, and then cut it with the torch. Yeah, it's basically how I did everything on this. Yeah, I think that's all that you guys have been asking for so far. So if you want to see what we do on other things, just comment it down below, and I will be sure to try and make a video about it. So I hope this helped, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.